ज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे श्रीगुरुं दीनतार्णम्। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो महावदान्याय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नाम्ने गौरत्विषे नमः। हे कृष्णा करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोऽस्तुते। तप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। We thank everyone who is watching this Manohar Chandrika through YouTube channel. Worthy human life, and it can be utilized properly by the guidance of spiritual guru. Scriptures say that after crossing over millions and millions of births, we, by the unbounded grace of Lord, get this human body. Such a rare thing, this human body. Even the demigods wish to have this body. The great devotee Prahlada claimed that the worship of God must be commenced from the childhood itself, as the life in this world is quite uncertain, but at the same time most useful for self-realization. Only the human beings can utilize the opportunity for the self-realization and God realization. There are two kinds of souls: Paramatma, the oversoul, and Jivatma, the individual soul. Both of them are eternal and exist forever. So, from either point of view, there is nothing to worry. Both of them are eternal and exist forever. Our material body is hardly real. So we have to cross all the stages and meet our end point, that is death. It is changeable, thus ephemeral. Births and deaths of this body do not affect the soul. How many changes may the body get? The soul remains unchangeable all the time. The soul is free to get rid of this cycle of births and deaths when it realizes its true self and can finally enter God's realm and offer loving services to Him with its chit body. The Lord Chaitanya says that the relationship between souls and God cannot be understood by our limited intellect. It is possible only by the divine knowledge bestowed by spiritual guru and his grace. He further says that God has either any physical nor any mental form. He cannot be influenced by Maya, being the lord of it. He is the only eternal object of worship, unconditional submission, and causeless loving service. Avidya is the root cause of all kinds of miseries of jiva. They can be destroyed by chanting Krishna Nama Kirtana all the time, and satisfactorily it can remain doing bhakti as suggested by Lord Sri Chaitanya. Very rare descent, the Lord Chaitanya's into this world, and he gave us the path to God realization as the doing of Sankirtanam. The Sankirtana is transcendental and it is the true form of the Lord Himself. So, by following the instructions given by the scriptures, the human being can get rid of this cycle of miseries by adhering to the chanting of Hare Krishna Maha Mantra all the time. So, one has to develop only the undisturbed faith towards the divinity of the divine name and follow as prescribed by the scriptures. वाञ्छा कल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।